Do you want to be a successful YouTuber? Then watch full video. Here are a few ideas for content creation. Vlog. Start a video blog where you document your daily life, share your experiences, and provide insights on topics that interest you. Tutorial videos. Create instructional videos on a specific skill or hobby that you excel in, such as cooking, photography, or graphic design. Podcast. Host a podcast where you discuss relevant topics, interview experts, or share stories and insights with your audience. Travel blog. Share your adventures and travel experiences through written blog posts, photographs, and videos. Gaming channel. Create a YouTube channel or stream on platforms like Twitch, where you play and commentate on different video games. Watch, then like, share and subscribe. Fashion and style. Share your fashion tips, outfit ideas, and product reviews through blog posts, YouTube videos, or social media platforms. Personal development. Create content focused on personal growth, motivation, and self-improvement, such as inspirational videos, book recommendations, or goal-setting tips. D&D crafts. Showcase your creativity by sharing do-it-yourself projects, craft tutorials, and upcycling ideas. Create content as like a art. Fitness and wellness. Create workout routines, healthy recipes, and provide fitness tips to inspire and educate your audience on living a healthy lifestyle. It will help you the best YouTuber. Comedy skits. Develop and perform comedy sketches, parodies, or humorous content that entertains and brings laughter to your viewer. Remember to choose a content creation niche that aligns with your passions and expertise to ensure sustained interest and quality in your content. Kindly like, share, subscribe and click